When I talk about Miller's Oils to other people, I want them to share my passion for the very best products that Miller's can possibly make. I want them to see that we make the best products we can using the best materials. I want Miller's to be thought of in the same sphere as Stradivarius or a fine wine or a beautifully engineered Swiss watch. It's absolutely essential that people see that we're not just another oil company. We're consistently striving to improve and enhance the friction-reducing qualities of our products to reach the pinnacle of lubrication excellence. So, where does our relentless pursuit for excellence start?
Hello, I'm Cliff Whitwell, Technical Manager of Miller's Oils, and I'd like to welcome you to our £500,000 Research and Development Centre, where we push the boundaries of friction reduction and lubrication efficiency to the limits. Let me show you what we do. It's here where our relentless pursuit of peak performance in our friction-reducing product range is developed, tested and quality assured. Miller's is about staying ahead of the competition through our insistence on specifying the highest quality materials, coupled with our commitment to applying our knowledge and determination. What we have here is a viscometer bath set at 100 degrees centigrade, where we measure the viscosity of the oil within very strict parameters. The benefit there is that if it's in spec, it will give good film forming protection, say in an engine, and protect the engine through its life. In this laboratory we carry out over 400 quality assessments every month, and we keep each sample on file. What we have here is an XRF machine where we can measure the additives used in our high quality engine oils, and we use this piece of equipment here to measure that amount of additive in the formulation once it's been blended, to make sure it's within exacting specification at every time. What this means is that every litre of Miller's Oils consistently performs at its peak. This piece of equipment is a cold cranking simulator. You imagine on a winter's morning when you turn the engine over and the engine is cold, you want the engine oil to flow around the engine fairly quickly and protect all the internal workings of the engine and protect it against wear. And this piece of equipment replicates those very cold conditions where we can measure the viscosity and the flow at very low temperatures. This Research and Development Centre is evidence of our commitment at Miller's to the testing and development of new and improved lubrication products in use in new and emerging technologies today. This piece of equipment is a HFRR, or high frequency reciprocating rig, where we have a steel ball sliding across a steel plate and we measure the friction that's produced between the two surfaces. What this does is it reduces the internal friction of the engine, so we get more fuel efficiency, more miles per gallon for the end user. So if the engine oil in your vehicle will give you more miles per gallon, or translates also into more power output. Once we've completed the evaluation on the HFRR machine, we then take the test pieces and examine them under the microscope to look at the efficiency of the lubrication under test. And the smaller the wear scar, the more efficient the lubrication is.
Today, Miller's Oils products are tried, tested and approved in a wide variety of applications such as automotive, motorsport, classic cars, HGV, public transport, aerospace, nautical, industrial and engineering.
Miller's offer a wide range of both standard and bespoke process lubrication solutions to cover all of our processing needs. Wherever possible, our company will focus on the localised supply base, and Miller's fall into this category. More importantly though, with our own ongoing development and diversification, our business requires at times urgent and ongoing technical development support, and this has proven to be Miller's key strength. Well, firstly, competitiveness in the market, timely deliveries with proactive ongoing technical support and consistent workable solutions. That's why our company have Miller's Oils at the forefront of our approved process lubrication supply chain. They give value to our business, allowing for all related manufacturing processes to perform consistently, which in turn reduces downtime and reject rates. The journey with Miller's doesn't stop with delivery, as ongoing development continues both on cost grounds and technical advancement. We have and continue to work on specific development with Miller's technical team, which includes solvent-free vanishing oil for pre-painted and pre-printed metal. We also continue to work with them on the management of deep drawn components and the finite levels of when lubrication breaks down and flashes off in relation to product we supply with associated cleanliness specifications. Whether competitively supplied standard lubricants or the development of bespoke requirements with finite tolerances between consistent success or failure, Millers have approved status with us, taking a level of weight off our shoulders in what can be a very subjective and very easily a costly application process within our business, allowing for us to focus on our own key strengths. We would recommend Millers to any manufacturing business or associated process.
John Smedley's is a family-run business that's been going for at least 230 years. We make a designer garment that's very fine gauged knitwear. Miller's oil is an oil we use on a regular basis. We use it in the oil pumps. The knitters use it to lubricate the frame. We have a lot of moving parts. We also use it on the sinker bars and the knitting heads. We also use it on the fine parts of the knitting machine. Miller's oil is the only oil we use on the Fully Fashioned, and without it we'd be in a mess. They supply a product that we ask for, and it's a changing product. It's not always the same. I think over the years it's varied a lot, but they always answer our problems. It has to be a product that is washed out of the garment for when we sell it. So it has to lubricate the machines, but also the product we use, it has to be washable. They'll listen to what we want. They'll come in and they'll visit us, and they'll go away and they'll use their technology to come back with a final product that we require. The machines are getting older, so sometimes we might want a more lubricant. Sometimes people complain that the oil isn't coming out washable, so then we'll ask for that to be changed. But they're there for when we need them, and they're there to alter the product when we ask for it. The machines have to be well lubricated because mostly the machines are old machines. We have machines that date back to 1967, 69. And the reason they've continued to perform is because of the product we use.
I hope from what you've seen that you share some of the pride and passion that we have for Miller's Oils and our relentless drive to improve our products. In today's environment, where fuel efficiency and emissions are paramount, we really can make a difference. There's oil, and there's Miller's.